Do you ever wonder why these pop up on every website that you visit? Well, we're going to break it down for you now, and then we're going to open up the comments for questions for our data expert, Duncan.
Hey!
Companies desperately want your data. You think that meal deal's for your benefit? No. Your name, your number, your address, your email address help companies build up a profile about you so they can market you more stuff. But you still have rights, and that's thanks to something called GDPR. So before they take your data, they have to ask. And even after you click yes, you still have rights, so don't worry. You have the right to, deep breath in, request all personal data about you. You have the right to request that data in a format that you can actually read. You have the right to ask how and why they're storing your data. And you also have the right to have that data changed, restricted, or deleted entirely. You also have the right to object to how they're processing your data. So for example, if an automated system doesn't quite take into account your personal circumstances, and you have the right to know if a company has leaked your data. So, pretty handy. Or it would be if companies actually did what they were supposed to do. And it's not just companies trampling over these rights, it's also political parties. So right now we have a case against Reform for breaching these data rights. So obviously you may not always be able to get hold of your data, so a good example is if getting your data would actually harm somebody else, or if it would interfere in a police investigation. But these are pretty powerful rights, right? So instead of getting cross at these pop-ups, maybe we should be making sure that these rights work for us. And I know there's a lot here. It took me a while to get my head around it as well. So if you do have any questions, stick them in the comments and our data expert will be on it.